on July 15, 1912 in Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Brigadier Muhammad Usman Masoodi was a senior Indian army officer who heroically sacrificed his life during the Indo-Pakistani War. Known as the Lion of Nowshera, he was among the first batch of Indian military officers trained in Britain and earned acclaim for his leadership during World War II. As the commander of the 50 Para Brigade, he led a victorious defense of Nowshera. Brigadier Usman was killed in action on July 3, 1948, while fighting Pakistani intruders near Jhangar in Jammu and Kashmir. He was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra for his bravery. Born on July 15, 1873 in Mumbai, Jamshedji Jijibhoy was a renowned Indian businessman and philanthropist. Despite facing early financial hardships after losing his parents, he excelled in business, expanding operations both within India and internationally. Jamshedji became known for his extensive philanthropy, funding numerous important projects including dams, roads, bridges and schools. He was the first Indian honored by Queen Victoria for his philanthropic efforts. Jamshedji Jijibhoy's life and contributions continue to inspire, marking him as one of the India's greatest philanthropists and business minds. Born on July 15, 1903 in Tamil Nadu, K. Kamaraj was a prominent Indian political leader and a key figure in the Indian National Congress. Serving as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and President of the Congress, he initiated significant reforms in education, power generation, and irrigation in the state. Inspired by Gandhi, Kamaraj actively participated in India's freedom struggle and endured imprisonment. His Kamaraj plan aimed to strengthen the Congress party by encouraging senior leaders to resign from government roles to focus on organizational work. Known for his integrity and simplicity, K. Kamaraj's legacy continued to influence Indian politics. On July 15, 1979, Morarji Desai, India's first non-Congress Prime Minister, resigned after serving for 2 years, 4 months and 4 days. His resignation followed a loss of support, leading Chaudhry Charan Singh to form a new government with Congress party backing. After the emergency era elections, the Janata Party secured a significant victory with 345 seats, reducing Congress to 189 seats. Initially chosen as PM, Desai faced internal discord with Charan Singh, later withdrawing support and forming a new government. This marked a pivotal moment in India's political landscape during the late 1970s. Founded on July 15, 1916 by American timber merchant William Edward Boeing, Boeing is the world's largest aerospace company. Originally a manufacturer of wooden boats, Boeing transitioned into aircraft production during World War I, later becoming the Boeing Airplane Company in 1970. Over the years, Boeing expanded its portfolio to include ships, planes, rockets, missiles, and satellites, serving both military and commercial markets globally. Today, Boeing remains a leader in aerospace innovation, known for its advanced technologies and extensive contributions to aviation history and modern air travel.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रिदम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।